On social media, everybody looks perfect. So if you compare yourself to all those perfect lives, then yeah, you're likely to feel bad about yourself. I ask myself the question, is what we think about how social media influences people, is that correct? And why? And I try to look deeper into how those effects may occur and how they may be different for different people.
This is all about looking after you and being the best that you can be.
So you might be thinking, why do I need all these supplements?
My low-carb protein ice cream.
Fit girls make it look like if you only work hard enough, you can look like this. But for many people, for most of us, that's not the case. The research that I've done and that other people have done as well shows that there is an influence, an additional influence of social media on body dissatisfaction and also the importance of you place on your appearance. And for some people, especially those that are already insecure, those effects could be even stronger.